Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the AI video. In this one, we're in ChatLLM Teams, and I have something amazing to show you. They have just released their brand new AI agent functionality called Computer Agent, and it is awesome. Computer Agent is an AI agent that can literally take actions for you, and you could see it in real time. This is absolutely amazing. I am going to show you multiple examples. I also want to note up front here that it was designed to have a human in the loop. And what do I mean by that? It's very simple. While it can go ahead and use apps, software, fill up your grocery cart, it can't go ahead and order you a timeshare in outer Mongolia. You are still in the loop and you still have to hit the go button. So there we go, guys. I'm going to show you a few examples. It's absolutely amazing. Let's get in. All right, the first step's an easy one. You just want to log in here. All you got to do is go to their website. Links in the description below. It's abacus.ai. And then I'm just going to go up here to the top, click on New ChatLLM Teams. A new tab opens up, and then, hey, sign in if you have an account. If you don't, click on Get Started. Before you do that, though, keep in mind that this is only $10 per user per month. I mention that because ChatGPT alone is $20 a month, and you get nowhere near as much stuff as you get with Abacus here. So definitely worth it. Click on Get Started, log in, and now let's take a look at computer agents. All right, once you're logged in, you should see a screen that looks like this. The first thing I'm going to do, up at the top left here, you're going to see this little icon, this notebook icon. Click on that if it's not open already. And then down at the bottom left, you're going to see Computer Agent New. This is brand new. It released today, actually. And this is where we want to go. I'm going to click on that. It's going to open up a new tab. And now we can do some serious stuff. Let's get in. All right, now we're logged in to Computer Agent, their AI agent. And now we can get cooking. On the left side here, you'll see a few example prompts that you can run with. Show me a flight to Greece, download an image, etc. But I want to show you a little bit more complicated side of things here. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in a prompt. I'll paste it in, actually. Display the processes running on my computer along with their resource usage and assess the system overall health. Okay, let's kick it off with this one here because I want to see if the agent can go in and look at what's going on my computer. Now, I will note up front here that I won't go in for a blood test, but I'll let my computer take a test because fair is fair. Okay, wow, there we go. The computer agent is already at work here. You can see what it's doing. Normally, I would come back and show you the results, but I want to show you a little bit of this one here in real time. A, because it's fast, and B, because it tells you what it's doing. It says here, I'll help you check the running processes and system resource usage using the top command in Bash. Okay, fantastic. And here we go. System load. Your load average is, well, these numbers here. I don't even know what that exactly means. CPU usage is excellent. Total RAM, free RAM, all that fancy stuff here. Total processes. Awesome, guys. This is just one example of the AI agent in action. Now, let's show you another one. This one's going to blow your mind. All right, so let's do another one here. If checking out your CPU and your GPU and all that on your computer isn't wild, this one's going to blow your mind. This is awesome. This is what AI agents are for, in my opinion. In this case, we're going to go search for round-trip flights from Vancouver to San Francisco, departing on January 25th and returning on February 12th, which happens to be my birthday. I'm going to hit enter. And if you think about what AI agents do, they're basically really there to help you do the tasks that you don't want to do. At least for me, that's what I want an AI agent to do. Just do the menial stuff, the stuff I don't have time for or I don't want to spend time doing. It's going to go ahead and do that. I've hit enter. Let's see what we got. I'll help you search for flights between Vancouver and San Francisco using Firefox. Perfect. I'll need to take a few steps to get a flight search website and enter the details. Now, notice here, I haven't touched any buttons since I hit enter, and it's just going ahead and doing it. And on the right side, it is showing me the exact process it's going through. Again, normally I'd come back and show you the results, but this is so cool that I just like to watch it do its thing. It's checking on the flights icon and enter flight details for Vancouver to San Francisco. Okay, very cool. There we go. The flights are popping up here. Look at this, guys. This is a proper AI agent. I love it. Now it's checking the San Francisco to update the destination. Okay, let's click. It's clicking on. It must be clicking on these things while it's going here. How cool is this? So anyways, it's doing its thing. It's setting the dates for us. There we go. It's opened up the calendar. What the heck? This is fantastic. And I mean, I'm actually just kind of watching this in amazement. Look at this go. Like, this is This is wild. Now, keep in mind that this is with humans in the loop, so it's not going to exactly book it for me. I still have to hit the purchase button and all that good stuff. You don't want to necessarily want AI agents with access to your credit cards, at least not yet. Got to trust them. But this is fantastic stuff. Click the search button to find available flights. Now, let me click search in the pop-up and then enter the correct airport codes. What the heck? This is amazing. I love this. Guys, this is AI agents in action. Their computer agent that ChatLLM here is releasing is absolutely wild. This is the real deal. All right, so I'm going to let it keep doing its thing here. I will come back when it's done here because this is just absolutely wild. And then, I mean, we could keep watching this if you want, but might take a few seconds to go ahead and get the result we're looking for here. But look at this. Actually, you know what? Let's not even click off. This is too cool. I got to watch this. Now I'll click the search button to find available flights. I need to fix the issue with airports. Let me click search in the pop-up and then enter the correct airport codes. Let me enter the airport codes directly. What the heck? This is crazy. Anyway, guys, I mean, there we go. Okay, now it's using our Kayak account. Wow, look at this. Now it's going to try using the Explore option instead. So if it doesn't get what you're looking for right away, it starts trying different ideas. It tries different options. I love it. Okay, the map has opened. Let me click on Vancouver and then San Francisco to set our route. What the heck? Guys, this is wild. I don't know what to say. AI agents are a thing now. I thought this was years away. They're here. I mean, this is pretty incredible. Anyway, they're going to go ahead and directly to the flight search page with the correct parameters in the URL. It is doing it. Oh my God, look at this. Now it's asking for a departure date. I am touching no buttons. This is amazing. Anyway, guys, I can't even say how cool this is. I'm going to come back when it's gone ahead and given me its final thing here. I'll come back, show you the results, and then we'll go from there. All right, here we go. So the agent has finished up here, and let's see what we got here. And I can already tell you we got it right. So here we go. This is where it left off. It had trouble with the Kayak website, so it rerouted to Google, and in Google, it found some flights. It clicked a whole bunch of buttons. It clicked the done button, then it explored. And anyways, long story short, it found two airlines. It has Flair Airlines. I always wear 42 pieces of Flair. And it's a nonstop flight, 2 hours, 30 minutes. And it's $111 round trip. That is unbelievable. That is so cheap. What the heck? And then I found another one here, two nonstop flight options. They're 2 hours and 26 or 2 hours and 25 minutes. That minute's going to count. $182 round trip. So there we go, guys. It even explains exactly what it did, its reasoning. It gives us examples. It gives us options. And then it goes, would you like me to provide more details about any particular flight option or search for different dates? I'm just going to press in 1. Watch this. You don't even have to type anything. You just press in 1, hit enter, and there we go. I'll help you get more details about the Flair Airlines flight option at $111. Wow, that is cheap. What the heck? So there it goes. It's back working again, and now it's going ahead and digging into the Flair airline option. This is absolutely fantastic. This is AI agents. This is the future, but it's now. I love it, guys. I'm going to show you one more example. You're going to love this one too. This is wild. Let's go. All right, for the last example, I'll go a little quicker through this one here. This is a YouTube example. I just typed in play any trending trailer on YouTube and analyze its statistics. Now, I am a YouTuber, so this makes a lot of sense for me to go ahead and see what's going on in the YouTube world. And here we go. On the left side, computer agent is getting to work. It's loading up Firefox. It's going to go ahead and click on that icon like it said here, and we're off to the races. You can see it doing it in real time. Keep in mind that I am not clicking any buttons here. It is just doing this as an AI agent. This is absolutely wild. Now it's going to the address bar, navigating to YouTube, it says here, just like I wanted it to. Look at this. This is amazing. And off it goes. It's just going ahead and doing some stuff here. Now it's going to the YouTube Explore section to find trending content. That's exactly what I would be doing, except I'm not doing it. The computer's doing it. The AI is doing this. This is wild stuff, guys. So there you go. I mean, this is just another amazing example here. You'll see here that it's going through and it's going to click on the menu button. And now it's clicking on trending under Explore, which is what I want. And now it's looking at a recent trending video. Look at this. And now it's going to click on it to analyze its statistics. This is absolute madness. I can't believe this. All right, here we go. Let me go back to the trending page and try another trending video since that one has a verification check. Okay, that's fine. Maybe we can't log into that one. Well, let's log into this one and see what this one comes up with. Holy smokes, I can't believe this. And it did it. Look at that here. It found a Taylor Swift Christmas movie. Yeah, that's something I probably will never watch, but hey. All right, channel Curtis Connor, 324,075 views in 6 hours. Upload time 6 hours ago. His channel or her channel has 5.21 million subs, 43,000 likes. Absolutely amazing. Broke down statistics here. Everything's here. The number of views, the engagement rate, the popular topics. Guys, this is absolutely wild. I didn't touch any buttons. The AI agents, computer agents are here, guys. They're the real deal. ChatLLM has implemented it, and they have done an amazing job. I highly recommend you check this out. Link, of course, in the description below. Chat soon.